It is the universe's simplest and most abundant element, the fuel of stars themselves.
At its core, hydrogen is just one proton and one orbiting, energetic electron. On Earth, it famously pairs with oxygen to form the basis of all life, water. But we can unlock its power by separating it from water using pure electricity. This process, called electrolysis, splits water into hydrogen and oxygen gas with no emissions.
Hydrogen is more than an element. It's a foundational piece of a sustainable future.